Now children, today let's start with Unit 3, Animals and Plants. So let's study with the chapter number 12, Wild Animals. What are our wild animals? Wild animals are the animals that lives in jungle, right? So identify. I am the biggest animal on the land. I am wood elephant. I am the tallest animal in the land. I am giraffe. I am the fastest animal in the world. I am tiger. I am the smallest bird in the world. I am. What it is? It is the smallest bird. I am the king of animal. I am lion. I am the biggest snake in the world. Anaconda. I am the biggest bird in the world. Ostrich. Now let's move to the next chapter, that is chapter number 30, domestic animals. What are domestic animals? Domestic animals are the animals that lives in our house. So let's study them. You have to identify this domestic animal. Sheep, dog, this is rabbit, cat, goat, camel, ox, horse, it is donkey. So खड़ा है तो donkey है. This is yak with so many hairs. Right? Now let's move to the next chapter, chapter number 14. Beautiful birds. So let's study about the birds over here. So our world is full of birds of different shades. देखो अलग अलग shades होती है. Yeah, they are also living creatures. They fly in the sky. They eat, they move and they breathe. So identify the pictures and name them. You have to identify these pictures and you have to name them. This is parrots with multicolor, peacock, kingfisher. This is hummingbird. ये कौन सी bird है? This one is hummingbird. Penguin. This is flamingo. जो हमिंग बर्ड है वो पीछे की तरफ तो फ्लाई कर सकते हैं लेकिन वॉक नहीं कर सकते. लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट चैप्टर. That is chapter number 50. So let's move to the next chapter, chapter number 15, sounds of animals. So you have to write the sounds of these animals. Snake क्या करता है? Hiss. What snake do is hiss. ऐसे वन का ना hiss. So it's hiss. Monkey chatter. Chatter करता है. Dog Barks. Horse. Vihi. दिखाते ना नी, ऐसा करके साउंड निकालता है नी. What it's do, it's knee. Cat, meow, and lion roars. And the snake do not have ears, but they have their vibrations to their scale. जब वो क्या करते हैं, ग्राउंड को टच करते हैं. Let's move to the next chapter, that is chapter number 16, animals home. So everybody, we all lives in a home like this animals also live. So let's study about their different home. Den में कौन रहता है? Lion lives in there. Nest, bird. Third one is kennel, dogs. Fourth one is hive, that is beehives. Fifth is hole. Hole में कौन रहता है? Snake, right? और stable में कौन रहता है? Horse. So the largest, biggest animal in the earth, on the earth, it is your African elephant. Right? Now let's move to the chapter number 70, reptiles and amphibians. So look at the picture and write the names. So across, second one, that is crocodile. Third is snake. Fifth is toad. Down one, first is turtle. Second one is cobra. And fourth one is newt. Right? So reptiles are covered in scales or have bony external plate, जिसको हम कहते हैं shell कहते हैं. Right? So let's move to the next chapter, that is chapter number 18, trees. So there are sources of food, wood, paper, fruits and many other things. Give below are the picture. यहाँ पे कुछ trees के picture दिए है. आपको उनको name लिखना है. You can also match them. First is coconut tree. ये क्या है आपका? Coconut है. Like this you can match it. Next is, this is banyan tree. Banyan tree. Third is neem tree. This is mango tree. And this is banana trees. Right? So the only living organism on the earth that makes their own food, जो अपना खाना अपने आप बनाते हैं, वो कौन है? आपके plants हैं, trees, and we all are dependent on plants for the food. Right? So now move to the next chapter, that is chapter number 19, wonderful flowers. So here flowers are the most beautiful part of the plant. They are colorful and have sweet fragrance. You have to write the names: tulip, sunflower, next one is rose. This is dahlia. This is lotus. ये आपका जैस्मिन हो गया. ये लिली हो गया. And this is daffodil. So the juice from the bluebell flower, they are used for historically to make glue. इनसे हम क्या बनाते हैं? Glues बनाते हैं. So I have told you about the different flowers. Now chapter has been completed. Let's move to the chapter number 20, Joy Farm. So welcome to Joy Farm. In this farm, some things are made by nature and some are made by man. कुछ तो naturally बनी है, ठीक है, some are made by men. तो आपको N natural पे N लिखना है. So let's start from the first. This is natural. This is natural. It is man-made. Right? This is also man-made. This is natural. Man-made. Natural. Man-made. This is natural. 10th is natural. 11th is natural. 12th is man-made. 13 is natural. 14 is man-made. 15 भी क्या है आपकी man-made है और 16 is natural. Right? Now, let's move to the next chapter. Chapter number 21, that is Enjoy the Season. We have different season. We have summer, monsoon, winter and short season, that is spring and autumn. So hot sun, cold drinks and cotton cloaks. कब टाइम से हम समर में. Rain puddles and gumboots in monsoon. Cold weather are warm clothes and hot drinks in winter. Falling off leaves कब होता है? In autumn. ठीक है, some पतझड़ का मौसम. Now our unit 3 has been completed. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.